Data traders here. Just want to do a quick video. If you're using ThinkorSwim, they now have a walk limit feature, which they used to have in Schwab's old program about 4 or 5 years ago. I don't even remember the name of it, but walk limit's pretty interesting. So let's say you're looking at buying an option. Let's say I buy a 0DTE or something, 558. If you go to the order tab right here, instead of limit, you could do walk limit. Now the way this works is you're going to put a starting price and then a end price. If you're buying an option, you would put a start price below, end price a little higher. And what it's going to try to do is it's going to try to buy this option at 2.14, and then price increment $1 means it's going to slowly go up every 0.01 until it gets filled. Time increment, you can make it 2 seconds, 1 second if you want. So SPY is probably not the best one to do this with. The bid-ask spread's really high. If I do one, CLSK for instance, that one might have a wider bid-ask spread. Yeah, so here you have, say, 0.53 to 0.6. Let's say I was going to sell the 8 put. Go to walk limit. So it starts at 0.56. That's where you want to get filled if you're selling the option. Actually, let me go to sell instead. I'm going to click the bid. If you're going to go to sell it, you want to get as much as you can. So 0.58, that's the ask. It's going to start there and then go to 0.54. And you could do it where it goes down 0.01. I would recommend going a little bit longer in time increment, maybe 10 seconds. So what this means is for the first 10 seconds, you're going to try to get filled at 0.58. If that doesn't fill, 10 seconds later, it'll go down 0.01. So it'll be 0.57. 10 seconds later, 0.56 until it fills. The end price is at the bid. So I would recommend using this where the start price is at the ask or even a little higher. It won't necessarily hurt you if you go higher in the start price. Maybe you get lucky and you get filled there. And then just slowly go down to the end price. Also, you could go end price near the middle of the bid ask, possibly. So 0.55, 0.58, you might want to go 0.57, 0.56 or so, just because you don't want to get filled at the bid. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.